When we first started this project, we were not sure exactly how this was going to go and how it would turn out. In December 2019, A Cloud Guru acquired longtime rival Linux Academy. And this was kind of like two arch-rival football teams suddenly joining together to become one. This kind of thing just doesn't happen very often. And so we knew that our customers would have a lot of questions about the companies coming together, like what this meant for the training content and the instructors that they love. Both A Cloud Guru and Linux Academy have always been powered by our user communities. On day one of the acquisition, we sat down and we asked ourselves how we could bring our users along the journey with us. And so we decided to do something that we've never done before. We turned the cameras inwards and we documented the integration as it happened. Now with our new platform release just around the corner, we wanted to share how we got here. It's a pretty open and honest look at how we've brought together our missions, our teaching philosophies, and our passions for technology and education. How we've gone from fierce rivals to one team, and how we've had to change tack to do all of this remotely in the midst of a pandemic. This is Better Together.